channel. So this is the wig from RPGSHOW Wigs. Honestly, really like the blonde. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this on my head now. So I have applied some cream bronzer to help the lace match my skin tone. And I've also clipped the adjustable straps at the back of the wig to help give a more glueless fit. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. And you guys can see already this looks so good. So I'm just gonna cut off the excess lace so I can see what I'm working with. So the wig comes with a very natural hairline. It comes pre-bleached and it comes pre-styled as well. I really like the blonde on this wig, and I think I should be able to achieve a glueless install today because the wig fits really snug on my head. So if you're trying to achieve a glueless install, the first thing I would recommend you do is to clip the adjustable straps at the back of the wig together, and then that can kind of help the wig to, you know, fit really snug. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our own door. Bring it right back. You want to cut around just to make sure that the wig sits comfortably around your ears, and you can put the hair behind your ears as well. Right back to me, baby. I know I want more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our own. I wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Later, talk, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and fall, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our own door. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know I want more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our own door. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. You can literally install this wig right out of the box. You don't have to glue it down. This is 100% glueless. It fits very snug on my head, and the hair quality just feels so good as well. So this is their wavy light brown with caramel blonde wig. It's a 20-inch and it's a 200% density. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hot comb and use some hairspray on the sides just to keep the tabs down on the sides. I'm gonna use my bed head spray today to do that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use some wax stick at the top of the wig, you know, just to hot comb the hair. And this is a 13x6, by the way, guys. So it goes all the way to the back, and you can definitely switch this to a side part if you wanted to. You can do so many different things. There's a lot of parting space on this wig, guys. Makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our own door. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know I want more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our own. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm really in love with this blonde wig. I really like the highlights as well, and I really like the fact that it has dark roots, because I feel like if you're maybe scared of like going blonde or getting a blonde wig, this definitely makes sense, because you know it's not too bright all the way. It starts dark and then it goes into the blonde, which I really like. And the wig was very quick and easy for me to install. Definitely beginner friendly. It literally took me about 5 to 10 minutes for me to install this wig. And like I said, the wig comes pre-plucked, it comes pre-bleached, and it comes pre-styled as well, so you can literally install this wig straight out of the box. I really like the hair quality. The hair feels extremely soft. Although the hair has been bleached, it doesn't feel dry. I've not had to apply any hair serum to make the hair, you know, feel soft or anything like that. I'm really in love with this blonde wig. So like I said, this wig is from RPGSHOW Wigs. This is their 20-inch wig. It's a 200% density. It's also a 13x6 lace front wig, so you can decide to switch this to a side part, or maybe, you know, do a half up half down. You can do any hairstyle with this wig because it has a lot of parting space, as you guys can see. Also, this is actually their transparent Swiss lace. It's not their HD lace, but guys, the lace is so good, literally undetectable. You can't even see it. The only thing I had to do was just to use my cream bronzer, you know, just to help the lace match my skin tone perfectly. But aside from that, this is amazing. The lace actually comes tinted as well, so I think you have the option of choosing what lace color you would like the lace to be. The lace that I have is the medium brown, just in case you guys are wondering. Honestly guys, this hair feels extremely soft. It doesn't feel dry, although it's been bleached. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think of this blonde. I absolutely love this blonde on my skin tone. It just looks so good. And did I mention as well, guys, this is a glueless wig. I've not had to glue it down. I only had to use some hairspray, you know, for the sides, just in case the wind blows and my hair decides to go to the back like so. But guys, love this wig. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think in the comments section below. I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.